Are you ready to elevate your computing experience to a whole new level? Look no further than the OTVOC Laptop 15.6-inch with Windows 11, also known as the VocBook 15. It's a powerhouse of technology packed into a sleek, silver design that's perfect for everyone, whether you're a student, a professional, a designer, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology. This laptop has something extraordinary to offer. So let's dive into what makes it so special. First things first, let's talk about its design. The VocBook 15 boasts a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920x1080, with a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees and a brightness of up to 300 nits. This laptop ensures exceptional clarity and color accuracy, whether you're working, streaming, or gaming. But here's the kicker. It features a 180-degree hinge design, allowing you to lay it flat for collaboration, screen sharing, or hands-free use. It's all about flexibility, and this laptop has it in spades. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, this laptop is armed with an Intel 11th Gen quad-core processor. The Celeron Jasper Lake N5100 chipset with 10M technology bursts up to 2.8 HDs, delivering a 35 CPU performance increase and a whopping 78 boost in GPU performance compared to its predecessor. Plus, it runs on Windows 11, ensuring your apps run consistently and smoothly, whether you're at home, school, or work. What about memory and storage? Well, the VocBook 15 doesn't disappoint. It packs a punch with 16 GB of RAM operating at a swift 2933 MHz frequency, providing ample power for your daily tasks. And when it comes to storage, this laptop shines with a lightning-fast 512GB PC-based SD. That means quicker boot times, faster application launches, and seamless data transfer. Need more space? No worries, you can expand it up to 2 TB using an HDD or up to a whopping 4 TB with an SS. Plus, it supports microSD cards up to 512GB. Say goodbye to storage concerns? Worried about battery life? The VocBook 15 is equipped with a high-capacity 7.6 V8 500 mAh battery, equivalent to 17,000 mAh. That translates to an impressive average running time of 8-10 hours, ensuring you stay powered up throughout your busy day. Plus, the laptop features an intelligent cooling system with a fan inside, providing temperature control for a fast and stable performance. Need to connect various devices? This laptop's got you covered. It boasts an array of ports, including 2x USB 3.0, OnX USB 2.0, OnX Type-C, OnX HDMI port, OnX RJ45, OnX microSD card slot, OnX headphone jack, and OnX DC jack. There's no shortage of connectivity options, ensuring you can meet your daily needs with ease. The OTVOC Lap 15.6-inch with Windows 11, the VocBook 15, is your gateway to limitless possibilities. Whether you're a professional seeking power and efficiency or a student needing a reliable companion, this laptop has it all. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your computing experience. Click the link below and make it yours today. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time with more exciting tech innovations.